A lot of people become a special education teacher because they had a family member with special needs. So I had a family member with a cognitive impairment, and I just became fascinated by their perspective on life. I found a lot of joy from their outlook. It's just so innocent and wholesome. I got more and more involved and interested leading into a career in education. A MOCI teacher stands for a teacher who teaches students with moderate cognitive impairments. That can range and include a whole bunch of students with a variety of disabilities. In our school, that looks like students with autism or Down syndrome, or a whole bunch of other things. It just offers a lot of variety in the type of students in our classroom. MOCI is kind of an umbrella term that covers a whole bunch of disabilities. A special education teacher's week is very fast-paced and dynamic. So you get a little time before the students get there and you are thinking through ahead, not just the next hour or 2 hours, but the whole day. What do I need? Let's make sure we have it ready. Because once the students arrive, you are hands-on all day. We also have a lot of exciting events that we get the kids out with to mix with other groups of kids. I get to take my students to another school to do peer-to-peer. We have a dance party every Friday morning, and who doesn't want to start their Friday morning with a dance party and see a bunch of kids just having a lot of fun? We have all of the activities you would expect to see in a normal school. We have gym activities. We do yard games, which is more adult-like gym, and we spend a lot of time in the communities. We take the vans and the kids and we go shopping, or we go to the fair in the summer. We do a lot of community-based activities. I think the best part about being a special education teacher is watching students flourish and accomplish things that nobody thought was possible. To see a kid who's 22 or 23 be able to speak or say phrases that nobody could have ever thought they would be able to is life-changing. You get chills just, thinking back on some of those experiences. If you spend your time focused on the students, you're gonna love work every day. You're gonna find the fun and really get down to what matters, which is your connection with the kids and what they're able to do.